Hello, grade 6. How are you doing? Hoping you're doing great with staying home and being safe. So today's subject is about energy. It is new chapter and new section, page 248. So today we are speaking about energy. Today we are speaking about energy. We have two main kinds of energy: kinetic energy and potential energy. So we will study these two together by today, and we will explain what is energy. So first of all, we will explain and define energy. What is energy? Okay, let me ask you a question. Have you heard someone say that a person has a lot of energy? So what's energy then? We have to know that energy is the ability to cause change in matter or to move it. So any force, any change which is happening to any matter, it's caused by energy. Okay, we have two main kinds of energy. First of all is kinetic energy, and second one is potential energy. Okay, what is kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is the energy of motion or energy in use, like when you're moving, where you are riding a bike, or you are having a sport or anything like this one. When there is a motion, we call this type of energy kinetic energy. But second one, potential energy, is the energy an object has because of where it is or because of its condition. So where all the uh, objects has energy while they're stopping, they are not moving. But how this energy is changing to kinetic, we will have a nice example right now. Look, so kinetic energy, like, is the potential energy of food. So food has potential energy. So the potential energy of food in changing to kinetic by motion, exercises, and movement. So food has potential energy inside it. Okay, when we will eat it, by our movement, by swimming or riding a bike or making any other sports, so the potential energy is changing to kinetic energy. So you have to understand this one, and it is so easy, I think. Second one is potential energy. Okay, uh, you understand that food has potential energy, means saving energy inside something while it is not moving. Okay, the snow can make many damages when it is high potential energy will change to kinetic. Okay, when an avalanche is happening inside on the mountains, the snow has a lot of potential energy. When an avalanche happening because of an earthquake or any other things, so the kinetic energy will change to potential energy. Another example is like this balloon. Okay, the left picture is potential energy because there is no movement for the balloon because the air is inside it. But the right one, the air is coming out from the balloon, and the balloon is going to the other side, so they are opposite of side. So this one is kinetic. Why? Because the air is moving and the balloon is moving as well. And this game, maybe you did it. So when the stone is here, it is potential, and uh, in the first one it is potential is low, but in the second one it is potential is in the highest ratio, and in the third one all the potential energy will change to kinetic energy. So forms of energy, we have some forms of energy. We have to know them. First one is sound. So sound is an energy. Right now I'm speaking to you, so the sound is by energy, and I'm using energy to speak. electrical, like electricity, which we use as well, chemical, like the battery. Battery has chemical energy. Kinetic, we gave many examples like exercises or swimming. Nuclear energy, it is about having nuclear atoms and other things. Heat, heat is energy as well, you know. Okay, when your mom is cooking, go just touch the pan. You feel that there is heat on the pan, and that pan is on the fire. So the energy from the fire is changing to heat. Light, as well, it is one of the examples is when you will turn off the electricity, the lamp is opening, it is having light. Then potential energy has two types: gravitational energy, we studied gravitational force, and you know, and elastic. Elastic, like some materials which we have, they have elastic potential energy, like the previous picture, the game which I told you. So at the end, these are some types of energy, like examples, as we explained it in the previous picture. Mechanical energy we have, thermal energy, nuclear energy, chemical energy, electromagnetic energy, sonic energy, gravitational energy, kinetic energy, potential energy, and ionization energy. You have to know these, especially the mechanical, thermal, sonic, kinetic, potential, and other one, if you like, and you have to understand them. If you have any more questions, just let me know and ask me. And at the end, your homework is just please give two examples for kinetic and potential energy in your daily life. Okay, we gave many examples like the pan or the electricity or other things, so or the lamp. So give any other examples in your daily life for kinetic energy and potential energy.